Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to uh, copy a list. First, I just want to tell you that we cannot simply just copy from one list to another because list two will only be a reference to list one. So let me quickly first declare a list. Um, and yeah. So when we do this kind of typing, so list two will only be a reference to list one, and changes made to list one is will automatically will also be made in list two. So we won't be able to get a copy or an exact copy of list one, so that if we do any changes in in list two, uh, we do not want it to happen in list one. So let's see a built-in method that is copy, how we can use it to copy one list from another. So simply we have to, let's say my list is equal to the list one dot copy. There we go. And we are going to get my list. So this is our new list that we have. And this third line is how we can copy one list from another. Let me know how did you like the video, and feel free to drop any suggestions. Thank you.